Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Open the Ngteco box and confirm contents. Reader, mounting bracket, 12V DC adapter, screw pack, and quick start guide. Inspect the unit for shipping damage and verify the model sticker matches your order. Choose a mounting height between 48 and 52 inches above the finished floor to align with natural wrist height for fingerprint capture. Use a level and the included screws to fasten the bracket, then seat the reader housing and tighten the cover to maintain IP protection and discourage tampering. Power the Ngteco reader with the supplied 12V DC, 1A adapter, or use PoE only if the model supports 802. 3 AF and your switch supplies sufficient power. If using Ethernet, plug the CAT5E cable into the LAN port and choose static IP or DHCP. Record the device MAC and assigned IP in your inventory sheet. For static addressing, assign an IP in your subnet and set gateway and DNS. Test link lights and ping the device to confirm network connectivity before proceeding to configuration. Install the Ngteco management software on a Windows PC and launch the device manager. Add the reader by entering its IP address and the default admin password, then change the admin password immediately. Navigate to user enrollment, register fingerprints or RF cards for each user, assign user ID, access levels, and time zones, and upload templates to the device memory. Configure door relay, exit button, and alarm inputs. Then run tests. Verify door strike operation, remote unlock, and that logs record accurate timestamps synchronized via NTP. Finally, export a full backup of configuration and user templates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.